Hey everyone, and welcome to AutoGPT Tutorials channel, where we discuss the latest news and developments in AI and quantum computing. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the quantum internet and how it could revolutionize the way we connect with each other. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the quantum internet. We'll talk about how it works, what it could be used for, and the challenges that need to be overcome before it can become a reality. So if you're interested in learning more about the quantum internet, be sure to watch this entire video. And if you're new in my channel and interested in learning more about AI and AutoGPT, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing new videos on a regular basis, so you'll never miss a thing. Let's get started. The quantum internet is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we connect with each other. It could be used to transmit sensitive data, such as medical records or financial information, without fear of it being intercepted. It could also be used to create new forms of communication, such as quantum teleportation. Quantum internet is like a super advanced version of the regular internet we use every day. It's a cutting-edge technology that takes advantage of the weird and wonderful properties of quantum mechanics. The quantum internet enables quantum devices to share information based on the laws of quantum mechanics. This gives the quantum internet extraordinary capabilities that can't be achieved with current web applications. The quantum internet won't replace the internet we use daily. It's more like a cool addition to it. It's designed to solve specific kinds of problems that regular computers just can't handle. It's like having a secret weapon in our technology arsenal. So while the quantum internet is still a work in progress, it's an incredibly exciting idea. It opens up a whole new world of possibilities for solving complex problems and making incredible advancements in fields like science, cryptography, and communication. It's taking technology to a whole new level. How does the quantum internet work in the world of quantum computing? They use these special units of information called qubits. They're like the building block of quantum computers. Now here's the cool part. Qubits are not like the regular computer bits that can only be 0 or 1 qubits can be in a whole bunch of different states all at once because they're super tiny and follow the funky rules of quantum physics. It's like having a magic trick where something can be in two places at the same time in the quantum internet. They use these qubits to carry information. These qubits can be created in special devices called quantum computers or processors. Now here comes the really mind-blowing part: quantum entanglement. When two qubits become entangled, they become linked in a special way. This means that whatever happened inch to one qubit instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. These qubits can be sent across the network of different quantum devices. Even if they're far apart, it's like having a pair of synchronized dancers who always move in perfect harmony, even if they're on opposite sides of the world. Instead of using regular communication channels, they use something called a quantum channel to send these qubits around. This means they take advantage of the way tiny particles behave at their smallest level quantum states. So what can we do? With the quantum internet, what can the quantum internet do? Number 1. Solve certain problems. Imagine a super team of quantum devices working together through the quantum internet together. They have the power to tackle problems that even the mightiest supercomputers would struggle with, from cracking complex number puzzles to tackling intricate logistics calculations. The quantum internet can handle it all. It can also supercharge data transfers and enable groundbreaking experiments in fields like astronomy, materials, discovery, and life sciences. With the quantum internet, we have an unstoppable force of problem solvers at our disposal. Number 2. Communication security. Quantum internet has the power to revolutionize communication security. The special quantum properties of qubits make it nearly impossible for anyone to intercept and decode quantum encrypted messages. There's this super cool process called quantum key distribution, also known as QKD, where two parties can share a secret cryptographic key over the quantum network without anyone snooping in. It's like having an unbreakable lock for your information, making sure it stays safe and secure. The quantum internet is here to save the day when it comes to protecting our secrets. Number 3. Data teleportation. Another fascinating application is quantum teleportation. No, we're not talking about Star Trek teleportation of people, but rather the transfer of quantum information between qubits. Here's how it works. We entangle two qubits, which means they become deeply connected then by teleporting the information from one qubit to another. We achieve something truly amazing: instantaneous communication. It's like sending a message faster than the speed of light, breaking all the rules of traditional communication. The quantum internet opens up a whole new world of possibilities where information can travel in an instant, defying the constraints of time and distance. Number 4, accelerate quantum computing access. With a quantum internet, you could access a super powerful quantum computer without actually having to own one physically. It's like getting quantum computing in the cloud, just like how we use services online, since building and owning a quantum computer is still a big challenge. The quantum internet lets you tap into one remotely. It's similar to having quantum superpowers at your fingertips without the hassle of owning the actual machine. Number 5. Quantum IoT advantages. The quantum internet can totally change how the Internet of Things, or IoT, works. You know, all those devices and sensors connected to the internet. Well, the quantum internet can make it way safer and faster to send and collect all that data. This means we can create cool new stuff and services that we can't even do with regular communication. It's leveling up the IoT to a whole new dimension. Number 6, enhanced GPS accuracy, according to Dutch research institution. To Delft, our GPS is about to become a whole lot better with quantum internet. It will make GPS super accurate and reliable, with super precise quantum clocks and instant communication. No more driving through lakes, according to your sat-nav. It's a GPS upgrade from the future. Number 7, large amounts of data processing. The quantum internet is a total game changer for computing power. It's a supercharged computer that works way faster than regular ones with the quantum internet. We can process huge amounts of data super efficiently. Imagine how this could totally transform fields like finance, medicine, and science, where processing loads of data quickly and accurately is a big deal. It's like having a speed boost for all our data needs. Number 8, sensor networks. Sensor networks in the quantum internet are poised to revolutionize data collection and analysis. Quantum sensors, with their extraordinary sensitivity and unique quantum properties, open up a new realm of possibilities for scientific research and real-world applications. With quantum internet, many sensors can work together in the same state. This lets sensors from all over the world act as one giant device. It's like superhero-level precision for studying black holes, microscopy, and electromagnetic imaging. Plus, it's extra secure, keeping data safe from public prying. The future of quantum internet. The future of quantum internet is filled with excitement and endless possibilities. As researchers and scientists continue to make breakthroughs in the field of quantum computing and communication, we can expect the quantum internet to become a reality in the coming years with the development of robust quantum hardware, stable qubits, and efficient quantum networks. The quantum internet will enable us to achieve feats that were once thought impossible. The journey towards building a large-scale quantum network is still ongoing, but significant progress has been made in a noteworthy development. Researchers from the University of Chicago and Argonne National Laboratory achieved a major milestone in January 2020. They successfully tested a 54-mile quantum loop using an existing fiber optic cable buried beneath the suburbs of Chicago. This groundbreaking project showcased the essential capabilities required for a quantum network, as it demonstrated the transmission of optical pulses with a remarkably short delay of just 200 milliseconds. The establishment of the quantum loop provided a solid foundation for further experimentation with a wide range of quantum devices also. In June 2022, a significant expansion took place, adding a 35-mile extension to the network. As a result, it has become one of the longest quantum networks in the nation. The network now comprises 6 nodes and an impressive 124 miles of optical fiber. This expanded network enables the transmission of quantum-encoded information between various key locations. It connects the U.S. Department of Energy's Argonne National Laboratory in suburban Lamont with 2 buildings on the south side of Chicago. These buildings include one on the University of Chicago campus and another at the headquarters of the Chicago Quantum Exchange (CQ) in the Hyde Park neighborhood. The progress made with the extended Chicago network demonstrates the ongoing commitment and remarkable achievements of researchers and institutions in advancing quantum technologies. With each milestone reached, we inch closer to a future where quantum networks will play an integral role in revolutionizing various aspects of our lives. Conclusion. That's all for today's video on the quantum internet. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. In the comments below, let me know what you think about the quantum internet and how it could change the world. Also, please share this video with your friends and family so they can learn about it too. Thank you for watching.